Time for Thierry, 10:48.4.
That's team manager Pablo Marcos, you can hear confirming the time.
Morning, 6:30 in the morning. It's only Thursday, so. Look, no one is here. It will be a quite busy morning because we have scrutineering scales, and then midday we will have the shakedown. So let's see where we are before to start the action on super special stage in the stadium. That will be very nice because it's next to the service park, so the whole team can go there. We are on scrutineering before the shakedown and before the rally. The FIA scrutineers, they are checking that everything is legal, everything is on place. And normally I'm coming here just to see that everything is going well and to say hello to the FIA technical delegate. We are here at the scales with the FIA just to check the weights of the car to be sure that we are on the legal weight before the race. And the FIA gives to us the opportunity to use their scales, and then we have the reference for the rally to compare with all the scales. We need to give the co-drivers the time card for the shakedown. So Candido will get it. Looks like we are ready for the shakedown. Long time for Danny and Candido that they are not taking part on WRC here. Look, he looks quite relaxed. So all the three cars are going now on the way to the shakedown, finally. So a very special moment to see Danny back on Rally 1. Let's follow now the shakedown on the live TV, on the tracking. From here, from the office, we have some people at the remote service. And I hope for a good result on the shakedown.
Julien is still driving himself.
So now during the shakedown, we can control the cars from here with the tracking, with the live TV, with the timing. So I have everything on my screen. Also the big screens for the team. And also we have the radio to communicate with the cars, radio to scan M Sport and Toyota is what we can do from here, from the command center, let's say. So now we will proceed with the radio checks for the cars that they are already on the way to the shakedown. Car number 6, Candido for Pablo, radio check. Thank you, loud and clear. Enjoy. So it's done. Now just wait to 11:01 that the first car will go on the shakedown and hope for a good result. I have here the system from the FIA with all the time controls, all the timing, but at the same time I have my double check system. Manually I calculate all the times on the TC and then I confirm by WhatsApp to our crews before the stage. Time for Adrien, 4:16.5, 4:16.5. First pass, it was so complicated for you. He was fighting with the car like that. But exactly the same fight that every corner that you fight, it was the same for Thierry.
We went stiffer to control a bit more the chassis, and I drove like in Japan.
Time card for the shakedown. Well, shakedown done was not the result that we expect, but yeah, we are done, and now I was sure that the drivers went to fulfill mediathon, that they need to be there during half an hour to take care of the media, and we'll have some meetings to prepare the strategy for tomorrow, and then we will kick off the rally with the stage 1 this evening. Is to prepare the time card for the co-drivers. I give to them before the start of each day, and then they will take care of the time card. At the same time, I check in the times to make double checks to be sure that they are on time at the TC, because if not, we will be on troubles.
Gracias.
Hola, and welcome to a very special edition of Rally Islas Canarias.
We are sending now the TC times to Candido to enter on the par fermé to be sure that he's entering on time. At the same time, we have the tire spotter on the service part checking the tires from the others, and I'm sending the information to the whole team, to the crews, to have as much information as we can for the tire choice. Piloto número 1, oye. Shakedown, piloto número 1. Tramo 1, piloto número 1. Mañana, día de rally.
Mañana día de rally.
Back to work. So, end of the day, finally. It was Thursday only, but it was a quite long day, from 6:30 in the morning to quite late in the evening already. Still 3 days in front, so it's time to go for a sleep. Let's see how it's going tomorrow. I hope better than today on the sporting side. And it was nice to show everyone how we are working.